Welcome to the Moore Realtors Weekly St. Louis Real Estate Market Update. I'm Dennis Norman, one of the brokers at Moore, and if you'll give me a few minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis housing market. Let's jump right in with the real estate news. Here's the latest headlines from St. Louis Real Estate News. StLouisRealEstateNews.com is your best local source for local news and information on the St. Louis real estate market. The headlines this week included the report on the January home price index reaching a new low. This is from Radar Logic. Just shows again how bad home prices are beat up. Includes a story from a local mortgage banker on credit scores and explains the meaning of your credit scores and what affects credit scores, and also includes a update on St. Louis mortgage interest rates. Report on new home sales plummeting in February. Really bad numbers showing record low new home sales, prices falling as well. And then finally, in our continuing list of depressing stories, the report the St. Louis foreclosure rates increased for the third consecutive month. Now we're going to move into reports on the market itself, the St. Louis housing market. And all the data I'm going to share with you is for the St. Louis 5-county area, which includes the city of St. Louis as well as the counties of St. Louis, St. Charles, Jefferson, and Franklin. By clicking on the chart or going to the URL shown, you'll be taken to our website where you can get detailed market analysis, including charts and stats for specific market areas throughout the St. Louis region. This first chart that I'm showing you here is shows what the median home sale prices are, as well as the length of time to sell homes in this 5-county St. Louis area for the past 12 months. The blue line represents the days it took to sell a home, and you can see for the last 12 months it's just been steadily rising upward from about 40-something days a year ago up to pushing 80 days now. The green line is the median sales price. It's had a couple little highs like back around June 2010 thanks to the tax credits, but has pretty much been trending downward, which is consistent with the reports we're seeing on a national basis. And you can see now for in March, it has been trending downward as well. Kind of hard to tell on this chart, but somewhere under the 120,000 mark. This next chart is the same data, sales prices and days to sell, but it is just for year to date. So again, you can see the blue line clearly shows the time to sell a home is increasing, and the green line shows the prices are trending downward. This next chart is a chart that shows the ratio of sales price to the list price for homes sold in the past 12 months. There's two ratios shown here. The blue line, which is the higher one, shows the ratio of the sales price to what it was listed at the time of sale. The green line shows the ratio of the sales price to what the home was originally listed at when it came out on the market, so before price reductions. And again, you can see that this ratio has bounced around, but is definitely trending down over these last few months. We get a little bit of an upturn here on list price to original price, but list price to current price, let's just ignore this big bubble here in December, but we can see that's trending downward as well. Here's a year-to-date look at the same data, and again, sales price to the current list price is definitely trending downward. The sales price to original list price is actually trending upward. Since it's trending upward, opposite the blue line, what that shows is, I don't think that indicates prices are any better. I think that just shows sellers are finally accepting reality and coming out on the market at better prices to start with. Now this next chart goes into some historic data. This goes back, this shows 10-year period, and shows what the median list price of homes were or was during the period, as well as what the median sales price during that period was. And we can see over this 10-year period, both listing price and sales prices peaked up, hit a high in 2006, and have been trending downward since. This next chart is that same data, again, just year to date. And we can see that list prices, the median list price is actually going up a little bit. But clearly, the median sales prices are coming down. Now, what I've given you here is a quick snapshot of the overall St. Louis market. At More Realtors, we have the knowledge, experience, and resources to counsel you, help you interpret the data, and tell you what it means to your particular situation. We can prepare custom reports and charts for you so you can stay on top of home prices and market activity in your neighborhood or area you're interested in buying a home on. Click on the chart to see complete market data. In addition, we publish a free monthly newsletter that is packed with information, news, and resources on the St. Louis real estate market. You can sign up here on our website to receive it monthly via email, or you can click on the newsletter here and be taken to a site to sign up. And finally, my partner, John Williams, and myself, along with our team of dedicated real estate professionals, are here to use our experience and knowledge to help make your next real estate transaction a successful one, no matter how challenging your situation may be. Click on our photos to find out more about us. And we'll see you next week. God bless.